Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Monday, April 12th, and for Tuesday, April 13th. This week, some students are returning back to the building for the fourth marking period for at least 2 days a week. Some students are transitioning from 2 to 4 days a week as well. So we have a lot of movement this week. However, we have gotten ourselves off to a nice start. So this is the first week of the fourth marking period, so I archived all of the third marking period stuff to clear away the clutter from our social studies page. So we'll be working through the orange folder this week. And the real two expectations for the first couple of days of this week are pretty simple. So on Monday, we had an early dismissal day. Tried to make things relatively easy, so we completed the Geography of Rome Ed Puzzle assignment. So that is this assignment in Students Upcoming. Click on that real quick just to show you what it looks like. So once again, this is Ed Puzzle, and this is what this will look like on the students version. So there are 12 multiple choice questions throughout the video. Ed Puzzle will not let students move forward until they have answered that question. So students will need to start the video. They will get to the questions throughout the video, and then they will answer those questions. So there are 12 questions. That is the first grade of the fourth marking period. So that was the expectation for Monday the 12th, that 2-hour early dismissal day. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, so the 13th and the 14th, students will begin working on the Rise of the Roman Republic guided reading. So as I go back to my main page here, students will click on the Roman Republic Rises Guided Reading to open up their version. Once again, students are working on this on Tuesday and Wednesday. So during our live Google Meet today, we worked on a couple of these questions together. So as long as students were either there in person or on the Google Meet, they should have a nice little start. And once again, this is just like the reading guides we have been doing throughout the year. Questions are at the top in the chart. The reading follows right below. The questions go directly in order with the reading. So students will be working on that Wednesday to finish it up, either at home on their own or in person at the school. Students will submit those, and then when we get to Thursday, we will talk about finishing up the week, answering any questions on this reading guide, and completing the quick quiz for this week. If you have any questions on Wednesday, feel free to reach out to me. I will see everybody on Wednesday or Thursday. Bye, everybody.